Working from home is one of the best things about my job. I can start my day on my own schedule. There is no commute, no rush, and no crowded train. I drive my wife to the station each morning and pick her up in the evening. It's a small routine, but it gives the day a shape. Our dog Sandy and our cat Jack stay close while I work. Sandy likes to nap near my chair. I never feel alone. One of the quiet benefits of working from home is the freedom to dress however you like. Most days, comfort wins over appearance. That is usually fine. Today, I am in sweats and a t-shirt. I am focused on work and haven't thought about clothes all day. Then a message comes in from my boss. Meeting in 5 minutes. I stare at the screen for a moment. 5 minutes isn't much time. I look down at my t-shirt and make a decision. I grab a button-down shirt from the closet and pull it on quickly. Then I find a tie and add that too. It takes about 3 minutes. From the waist up, I look like someone who has dressed for work. From the waist down, I am still in sweatpants. The camera only shows the top half. I join the call just in time. The video shows a shirt, a tie, and a professional expression. I feel quietly confident. The meeting runs long, almost an hour of discussion, updates, and questions. My sweatpants are extremely comfortable throughout. When it finally ends, I take off the tie first, then the shirt, and I'm back to my t-shirt within seconds. Nobody has noticed. Nobody comments on how I look or asks why I seem slightly out of breath. The meeting is considered a success. I have already decided to do it again.